In this video, I'm going to show you some alternatives and some progressions of this classic exercise. If you find this exercise particularly uncomfortable, then you may like to try an easier version, which I'll show you here in this video. For the easier version, lie on your side, knees bent up, one leg on top of the other and one hand on top of the other like so. Then take your upper arm and extend it up above you and then back behind you, allowing your torso to twist back with your arm. So that was the easier version. Now, if you find the classic version too easy and uneventful, then try this progression. For the more advanced version, as you rotate, you can straighten the upper leg and reach out with the opposite arm to increase the leverage and to impart a larger rotation force through your spine. This can be repeated to both sides, and if tolerable, try to hold the end range stretch position for a few seconds as you relax your breath and try to get used to holding that new end range. Return back to the center and repeat that 2 to 3 times on each side. And finally, I'm going to show you another alternative which you may like to try, particularly if you don't want to or aren't able to lie on the floor. So this is the twister, a great alternative for those of you with young children or excitable pets who inevitably always want to jump on you as soon as you lie on the floor to do your back pain exercises. So if you don't want to lie on the floor when you do your twisting exercises, no problem, just go onto one knee like so, and then rotate over the front knee using your arm to increase the leverage, and with the other hand either grabbing hold of the back of the foot, grabbing hold of some furniture, or just reaching around as far as you can. Exhale at the end of range, hold for a moment and relax. Repeat that 2 to 3 times on one side, and also make sure you do it the other way as well. On the screen here you may see some other videos of interest to you or something that you could share with a friend. Please give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, leave a comment below, and if you're not already, then subscribe to the Physio channel.